pause the video book anytime to see if you can find Biscuit. This is Miss Shin's dog Casper. Thanks for visiting Miss Shin's channel. Please subscribe. Thank you. Biscuit Loves the Park. Biscuit, where are you? Woof, woof. Here, Biscuit. We're going to play in the big park. I have your ball, Biscuit. Let's play. Woof, woof. Wait, Biscuit. Where are you going? Your ball is right here. Let's play. Woof, woof. Uh-oh. There goes the ball. Woof. Biscuit, wait for me. This is a big park. Woof, woof. Silly puppy. Are you by the tree? Are you by the bench? Woof, woof. Biscuit, are you by the pond? Woof, woof. Biscuit, where are you? Woof. Funny puppy. Now I found you. Oh no. Here, Biscuit. I found your ball. But where can you be? Woof, woof. Biscuit, are you by the merry-go-round? Are you by the swing? This is a very big park, Biscuit. Where are you? Woof, 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 woof. Oh, Biscuit! Where have you been? I have been looking for you everywhere. Woof, woof. Sweet puppy, I was trying to find you, but you found me. And lots of new friends too. Now let's play.